Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel chapter 5 and on exercise 1 simulation training. So if you want to complete assignments or exam you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So total question is 4 and question number 1 is sort the data by discipline and then by area both in alphabetical order. So sort the data, so go to the data tabs and go to the sort and filter groups and sort the data by discipline. Sort the data by disciplines. So sort the data by discipline and then by area, both alphabetically ordered. Sort the disciplines and both is then by area and click OK. Next is use the subtotal feature to sum the number of wholesale, retail price and total book sale by discipline. So use the subtotal features and click the outlines and click the subtotals. So subtotal features to sum the number of wholesales, sale wholesales and retail sale and sale retails and total book sale by discipline and click OK. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is leave the existing subtotal value at the second level subtotal for area and click the subtotal for area. Next is leave the existing subtotal value and the second level subtotal for area. So select the outline and again subtotals and leave the existing subtotal value and second level sort at each changes to the area and leave the existing subtotal and replace the current subtotal and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is collapse the table to show the grand total only. So click the collapse the button and next is expand the table show the grand and discipline total and expand the total to show the entire tables. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is use the auto outline to feature to group the column. So use the auto outline, add the auto outline and modify the existing outline and click OK. And next is collapse the total book sales. So collapse the total book sales and click collapse the total book. So question number 4 is complete and assignment is done. So please click OK to submit the assignment and click OK and check the score is Excel chapter 1 simulation training is Excel chapter 5 simulation training is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.